Hey guys, Mikas here for your live electronic music tutorials, episode 257, and I keep on making music in real time so you guys can see, feel, and understand the music production process as a whole. How is the session, how I started, how I make the drum beat, how I put the synths together, how I do some engineering, and of course, every single episode of the show since episode 250 comes with a Logic Pro X template, Ableton template, FL Studio template, and of course, a sample pack for you guys who might want to use the samples and the ideas that I put into that. And of course, every single episode is available on wemakdancemusic.com. The link is below right there, so you can really get the tutorial for free. If you really like the track, you like to do this genre, and you want the samples, you want the ideas, like I said, you can get one of the templates for the sample pack, which is very good. And today, guys, you probably read it or clicked somewhere to see it, I'm gonna make some down-tempo trip hop-ish, a bit slower, 95 BPM, break beat, but like with like a groove, with something a little bit different.